Dani Brandtjen. I'm Director of Solutions Architecture, and I am under the Solutions Department. I have been at Adswerve for 8 years. I absolutely have loved every bit of it. Getting to be with people that I feel very challenged by, that are always like sharpening my knife, that's what I want to work around. I think that there is an energy that every single person I encounter embodies, and even a lot of our clients embody, and that there is this innate curiosity that everyone has. And I think that no matter what your job function is at Adswerve, everyone just has a desire to learn more, push through a problem, like get to the bottom of things. And that curiosity to me is what brings like all of the job functions together. Everyone is bringing their full energy and curiosity to the role every day. And it's so energizing to work around people like that.